There's a certain medicine that many lupus patients rely on. It's not approved to treat COVID-19, but President Trump said it might be able to.
Action 9 investigator Jason STOOGENKE is live in East Charlotte. And Jason, now it appears people who don't need it are stopping up, making it harder for people who do need it to find it.
Yeah, Damani, we're here at PIKE'S Pharmacy. I was talking to the owner. He was telling me that at the moment he does have enough in stock. He does have a supply of the medicine, enough to go around, but that he did actually go ahead and check with his supplier, which happens to be one of the 3 biggest in the country, and that company is out of stock.
At no point in time have I had an issue getting the medicine.
Cherie Pearsall has lupus and relies heavily on hydroxychloroquine, the brand name Plaquenil.
For most of us, it is something that is keeping us at a functioning level.
Then President Trump tweeted this, saying the medicine treats COVID-19, calling it a game changer. A day later, the nation's top infectious disease expert downplayed the drug's role, and the FDA hasn't approved it for that purpose. Even so, it appears some people who don't have lupus are stocking up on the drug now, making it harder for lupus patients to find it.
You can think about it just like toilet paper.
Jesse Pike owns PIKE'S Pharmacy.
When we get greedy and we want it all for ourselves, we're not thinking about our next door neighbor.
CVS and Walgreens told me they're aware of the situation too.
There's an estimated over 53,000 people in the state of North Carolina that have lupus.
Jenny Prince is the CEO of the North Carolina Lupus Foundation. She told me about a patient in the eastern part of the state.
Couldn't find it within an hour radius at different pharmacies, and her father was able to find it in the Greensboro area and mail it to her.
The foundation sent letters to drug companies and Congress urging them to make sure lupus patients have access to the meds. Patients like Pearsall, a veteran police officer.
As long as it's available to everyone, I want to make sure that there's not a gap for those that actually need it. So bottom line, you still need a prescription to get the medicine, so it's not quite clear how folks are even able to stock up. But if you're one of them, if you're able to get extra access to the medicine and you're able to hoard it, please try to resist the urge to do so. Make sure those folks out there, like the lupus patients, I'm also told folks with like rheumatoid arthritis, that they have the access they need so they can have it much more immediately. Damani?
And we are all hoping that the people who need this vital medicine, that they get it. Jason STOOGENKE reporting live for us tonight. Thank you so much for that report.